The Amalfi Coast, Italy's shining jewel, where colorful villages meet turquoise seas and every turn looks like a painting. In this video, I'll show you how to spend 5 perfect days in Italy's coastal paradise, covering the best places, hidden gems, and travel tips to make your trip unforgettable. Day 1. Positano. Start your journey in Positano, the most iconic town on the Amalfi Coast. Wander through steep alleys, sip espresso by the sea, and take in views that define La Dolce Vita. Don't miss the sunset from La Sirène's viewpoint. Tip: stay at least one night here. Mornings are calm and magical. Day 2. Amalfi and Atrani. On Day 2, head to Amalfi, once a great maritime republic. Explore its stunning cathedral, try lemon sorbet, and stroll down the charming seaside promenade. Just a short walk away lies Atrani, a small, peaceful gem that feels untouched by time. Tip: visit early to avoid crowds and enjoy lunch overlooking the sea. Day 3. Ravello. On your third day, drive up to Ravello, a quiet hilltop town known for music and breathtaking views. Visit Villa Ruffalo and Villa Simbrona for the best panoramas of the entire coast. Ravello is perfect for slowing down, enjoy lunch with a view, and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. Tip: stay until sunset. The light over the sea is unforgettable. Day 4. Capri Island. Day 4 takes you offshore to the glamorous island of Capri. Take a ferry from Amalfi or Positano, explore the Blue Grotto, and enjoy the view from Monte Solaro. Stroll around Capri Town and Anacapri, where cobblestone lanes lead to hidden terraces. Tip: book ferry tickets early and plan a full day here. Day 5. The Amalfi Drive and Hidden Gems. On your final day, experience the legendary Amalfi Drive, one of the world's most scenic coastal roads. Stop at small villages like Priano or Furore Fjord and end your trip with a seaside dinner. This is where the Amalfi Coast truly shows its magic. Every curve, every view, every golden sunset feels like a gift. Five days may not be enough to see everything, but it's more than enough to fall in love. If Italy is a dream, the Amalfi Coast is where it comes true. Subscribe for more cinematic travel guides.